The Supreme Court will begin hearing into the IPL Pro Panel's final report on the investigations done on 13 individuals, including ICC boss N. Srinivasan. The IPL Pro Panel, headed by Justice Mukul Mudgal, has now submitted its much-awaited final report in the IPL spot-fixing case to the Supreme Court on the 3rd of November, and today will be the day that the Apex Court is likely to open it.
The IPL fixing bomb is set to explode on Gurunath Mayappan and the Chennai Super Kings. As the Supreme Court begins hearing into the Mudgal Probe Committee's final report.
Whether there will be a verdict or not is still unknown, but hangs in balance is the future of many, including BCCI's president-in-exile N. Srinivasan and his son-in-law Gurunath Mayappan.
The explosive report contains findings of serious allegations against 13 individuals, including BCCI chief-in-exile N. Srinivasan. However, the ICC Supremo is likely to get away with no evidence directly linking him to Gurunath Mayappan's activities. And that may well pave the way for N. Srinivasan to recontest for the BCCI president's post.
कल सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अगर ऐसी बातें आती है तो इसका अपोज करूंगा और माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय से मेरे काउंसिल कहेंगे इसी सब्जेक्ट को कि कवर अप द करप्शन इज आल्सो करप्शन.
But BCCI top brass is caught in a fix with only 10 days left for the AGM. And N. Srinivasan's future as cricket administrator is on the line in the Supreme Court. Yet much depends on what the probe report says on Gurunath Mayappan, whose betting links have already been acknowledged by his accomplice Bindu Dara Singh.
11.3C जो IPL ऑपरेशनल रूल्स कहता है कि अगर टीम के कोई ऑफिशियल किसी भी तरह के इलीगल एक्ट में इन्वॉल्व पाए जाते हैं तो उस दोनों टीम को तुरंत टर्मिनेट कर देना चाहिए.
And those links are likely to be part of the Mudgal report, which will nail Gurunath's cricket enthusiast tag. Gurunath's indictment is also likely to put the future of Chennai Super Kings in doubt. With the Apex Court set to nail the IPL fixing scandal culprits, cricket cheaters will soon have no place to hide. Sports Bureau, Times Now.